Hello, my crafty friends. I am just here to share my sweet, cute little 6¼ by 6¼ mini journals I made. I'm going to flip through one of them. They're all pretty much the same on the inside. I used almost all the same papers and envelopes and that kind of thing on the inside. These are not decorated. These come with a bag full of ephemera and a bag full of snippets and lace and stuff. So these are like little kits that you can decorate your own little journals. I just decorated the outside and made the inside for you. Let's get started really quick because I don't want this to be a forever video for you. This is the first one. They all have a different little word tile on them, so I call this one Blessed. And I just did a whole bunch of layering. They're all canvas covers, and I did some stamping on them. I coffee dyed some of this trim and put that on all the spines. Each cover is different. Each one has a different word tile, like I said. And I sewed these in, and what else can I tell you really quick? Other than I super love them. Don't look at my nasty hands because I still have glue and ink on them. Let's go inside really quick. I think there is like 44 pages front and back to journal on, and I will try to flip really quick. So there's a note. I just did some little stamping on them. There is some pockets I made inside, and each one has a bag. They might be layered in here differently, but they're all pretty much the same kind of papers. They all have doilies. I was going to decorate them, but then I decided to make little kits out of them. So maybe people that don't have a bunch of stuff that want to decorate their own little, journal can decorate their own little journal. Which I give you lots of yummy things to decorate it with. The other side of the bag. Another tuck spot. And that is the inside of that one. Let me see if this one, see, all of these I made from this little canvas, it's like a canvas book that you can get like at Michael's. My friend Michelle gave it to me, and it was all these covers were like sewn together, so it was just a canvas book. Well, Trina had a bright idea to undo it and make 4 books out of it, so that's what I did, and I'm so glad she came up with that. Each one of these covers was actually Trina's idea as well. I love these. They are amazing. She had a bunch of canvas left over, and so she did one of these, and when she came over one day, we played and made a bunch of them, so I love them. And this was the actual cover one, and it came with this little cord closure. And inside, and I used all Tim Holtz paper on the insides of these. And see, they're all pretty much the same paper, same pockets, same bags, little tucks, side tucks on each of them. So pretty much they're all the same kind of paper on the inside. These are just going to be different. So they're all slightly just a little different. Let me go into this one so you can just kind of sort. I'll just flip through a little bit so you can see. I just love these. They're so cute. Oh my goodness. I did some stickling on them as well. That is the cover on this one. Pretty much all the same. Tuck spots, tags, doilies, bags. Oh, this one has a little different page in it, which I love this children's book. But pretty much all the papers came out of the same book, same books. And they just have different Tim Holtz papers on the inside. That is that one. Let's see this one really quick. I just in case somebody might want a different one. The one that's blessed, this one is the only one that is not available because it already sold. But the rest of them are still available, and they are $60 plus shipping. And if you're interested, you can give me a call or message me on my Facebook. Sorry. Sorry about that. I just want to do a quick glance flip through for you. Love these. Love these. They're so cute. Okay, now I'm not only going to go through like one of these bags, flipping dirt everywhere. You get a bag of paper ephemera, and then you get a bag of snippets. Since this is already out, I will go through this first. Each one of them, I've tried to put in about the same thing on each one of them. They might be a tiny bit separate or different, but not by much. These little appliques, and I just put some little snippets of cute fabric. Each get some little rosettes, some like a yard or so of seam binding, and some different pom-poms, trims, and a couple of these little flowers, and just some more fabric snippets, some lace, which I love. These, I love this. This was snippets off of my last Shabby Chic journals. Some more vintage fabric. Each get some little eyelash trim and some leaf trim. Some of this trim is stretchy. You can glue it down like this or leave it like this. And each of them come with some doilies, which I love. 2 different colors. And then this cute little snippet fabric and some little tea bags, which I ordered these. I thought they were going to be like 4x4, but yeah, hello, they're little tinies. Super cute though. So that is what comes in the snippet lace and trim bag. And then we have this big stuffed bag. So you get some like little Rita Donnelly flips. Here is a little envelope that I did that you can tuck inside. This was not my idea, but I will find the video that I watched on doing these, and they're so cute. I love them. They're so darn cute. This one has a little frog inside. So each one gets a little window like that and 8 tickets. And here is one of those little tea bags that I gave Trina some, and I said, Trina, what am I going to do with these little tiny tinies? And this is what she came up with. So I did not make this. Trina made this, and each journal gets one of these made by Trina. And they are so darling that now I'm going to have to make some. So this, and they come in with their own little tag inside it. So cute! So you can glue this down and make it a tuck spot, or just a little spot for this tag. You can do whatever you want. You don't even have to put it in this journal. You can put it in something else. But love, love, love these. I'm going to be making some. They each come with some doilies, some already cut out ephemera. These are Tsunami Rose, and this is just off Pinterest, and this is Tim Holtz little girl. Tim Holtz little playing cards and stuff. And I will try to link everybody's ephemera kits that I've got these little pieces out of in, this is Artie Mae's, I can't remember this one, I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh, I gotta remember that, but this one's Artie Mae's. And this is Dreams Etc. These are Tim Holtz, and these are some really vintage old playing cards that I got at a garage sale. Love these. Each one comes with a photo, and then I just made this tuck spot so you can decorate it with all your little goodness that you want to put in. Each one comes with this library pocket so you can put it in the back of your book or wherever you want. Another Rita flip, and each one comes with a flip up, flip down. And I inked some of these, some of them I didn't. Another one of these envelopes that you can use as a tuck spot and decorate it, and super cute, or you can just put it in and put good stuff inside. Each one has one of my envelopes that I coffee dyed and decorated and embossed, and they all come with 4 tags that I cut out and coffee dyed and inked up, 4 different sizes. And they all have this little booklet out of the Tim Holtz paper and the coffee dyed paper. So you can just tuck that right inside. And they come with a Tiffany stamp journaling card. And that is all the yumminess that comes with these cute little journaling kits, which I super love. These were so fun, and they'll be so fun to decorate. I was going to decorate them all, but I decided, yeah, this would be fun for somebody who wants to do it themselves. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are interested, please give me a jingle on my Facebook page. I will link everything below in the description box, and yeah, until next video, have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and thank you so much for watching my videos. Have a great day. Bye-bye.